Mastering the phrase, last push, in English. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, last push. Whether you're learning English for work, school, or just for fun, understanding phrases like this one is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and give that last push to boost your English skills. The term, last push, is a metaphorical expression often used to describe the final effort required to complete a task or reach a goal. It's derived from the physical action of pushing something over a finish line or into its final position. Imagine a heavy object that needs just one more shove to get to where it needs to be. That's the essence of a last push. In everyday conversation, last push can be used in various contexts. In work or school, when a project is nearly complete and only a few tasks remain, a teacher or boss might encourage their team or students with, "Come on, we're almost there, just one last push." In personal goals, someone who is close to achieving a personal milestone, like running a marathon or learning a new skill, might say, "I just need one last push to cross the finish line or master this." In encouragement, it's also a phrase you might hear when someone is offering support or motivation, suggesting that a small additional effort could make all the difference. Let's put last push into some example sentences. We're in the last push of the election campaign, and every vote counts. I know you're tired, but give it a last push. Your exam is tomorrow and then you can rest. This is the last push. With just a bit more practice, you'll be fluent in English. It's worth noting that similar phrases can often be used interchangeably with last push. Phrases like final stretch, home stretch, last lap, or last hurdle carry a similar meaning. They all signify that the end of an effort or journey is near. And that's all for today's lesson on the phrase, last push. I hope this explanation gives you the confidence to use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning a language is itself a journey that requires that one last push to achieve fluency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't hesitate to give your English that last push it needs. Until next time, happy learning!